Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can customize Easy Touch in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to shortcuts and accessibility. Click on Easy Touch and turn on the button against Easy Touch. This is Easy Touch ball. You can move it anywhere and fix it anywhere on the screen. Okay, I fix it here. And if you want to customize it, you can click on customize menu. Before that, we'll see what is inside Easy Touch. Okay, just click on Easy Touch ball and you will see a screenshots icon, calculator, screen recording icon, flashlight, search, Easy Touch settings, Facebook, WhatsApp messages, etc. Okay, if you want to use some particular functions within this easy touch, you can do it. For example, if you want to take a screenshot, just click on screenshot icon and screenshot will be captured. Okay, if you want to start screen recording, just pick up screen recording icon here and screen recording will be started. So in this way you can easily access some of the functions from the Easy Touch itself. Okay, if you want to set Easy Touch, click on Easy Touch settings and this is Easy Touch settings and you can personalize Easy Touch settings. First thing is personalized skins. Okay, if you click on it, skins will be varying. By default, this is a round white circle is appearing. If you choose another one, this man will be appearing, and here 5 different options are available. Okay, I just set this DD. Okay, and click on apply. Now this is easy touch. Okay, just click on it and Easy Touch functions will open and you can open the features from the Easy Touch options. Okay, if you want to customize Easy Touch functions, then click on customize menu and here you can add some more apps to the Easy Touch. Already you have seen these 3. Okay, Facebook, then see here, Facebook is available here, WhatsApp is available here, messages is available here. Okay, if you want to add some more thing, then you can do it. Up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and including this 3, 9 can be added. Okay, click here and select any other app now. So here I select Amazon and it will be added. Okay, if you want to add more thing, then click on that's all. 9 can be added. Okay, no more than 9 can be added, and just they have been added and go back. Yes, they have been added. If you want to remove anything, just click on the close button and then you can add another thing. Okay, another app. Okay, I have removed one thing here and I add an album here. Okay, album is replaced. Okay, now if you want to add a quick tool, okay, this is quick tool. Okay, screenshots, calculator, that will be the quick tool. Okay, if you want to add some more quick tool, click on add and you can here select. Okay, this is also up to 9 and go back and they have been added. Okay, in this way you can easily customize menu in your Easy Touch. Okay, there are so many things like a tab, that is a control over Easy Touch. If you tap on the Easy Touch, it will open menu. Okay, you can also change it. Just click on tap and if you click on calculator, then if you tap on it, calculator will open. Okay, see here. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize. Okay, so many customizations are available in Easy Touch and according to your convenience you can do it. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.